So here it is installed in the minivan. I'm going to be completely honest. I have mixed feelings about this. You know, I wasn't really sure. This thing is super easy to install though. You can just put it on the handles here and you just wrap these around. You just unclip this and then clip it back in. So as far as like getting it installed, so if like this was something that you were going to have like specifically for road trips, that would be perfect, especially if you have kids, because you could put like some toys up here. And if you notice, it actually doesn't even block the rear view window back there as well. So you would probably have no issues with having stuff up here, and then you can just tighten these handles. We do also have some zipper pockets as well. So if there was like, you could put like stuffed animals or like bigger stuff up here. And then you could put like paperwork, like if they have like coloring books or stuff, I don't know. Whatever you want to put in here, because we have these two zipper pockets as well. I mean, I would say the quality of the zippers, not the best, but for the price of this, how easy it is to put it up, how easy it is to take it down. If you are trying to do van life or something like that, this would be probably a no-brainer, because it's like no build basically, because you're just putting it on the handles that you already have in your car. And I know that people who are doing van life are always needing more storage. So this would be just like a no-brainer way to do that. Or if you have kids in the back seat, you can keep their toys and stuff up here, and the floor, you know, because normally like you would get stuff all over the floor, right? This would be a way to 100% change that. So, you know, I have mixed feelings about this. I personally don't think it looks the best.